Play. Play. Hey, Caitlin, play some notes. Oh, very nice. Oh, yeah? Are you playing the piano? Nice. Can you play some more?
Yeah.
What song are you playing? Oh, pretty. Yes, pretty.
Yes, pretty. What? This is pretty too? Thank you.
Can you play the piano? Play a song for Mommy?
Yeah.
Play I Love You, Mommy. Okay. Oh, there's a pretty song. That's a very pretty. Is that a duet?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, are you going to play a different song now? You need to turn the page to another song?